Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika and today I'm going to be reviewing gel polishes by LoveCarrie. So this is the first time I'm trying out gel polishes and I'm absolutely in love with them. So this is sold by a store called as Momo Lucky Store on Aliexpress. I'm going to be putting a link in the description box below. And I'm going to be reviewing 4 of these lovely polishes today and 2 of them are my absolute favorite. So the anniversary sale is going to begin on March 28th, so you're going to get this at a very reasonable price. So do check them out, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first up is this polish in the number M05 and it's called True Orange. It's a lovely subtle orange color, and applying the first coat, the formula is pretty amazing and it glides on smoothly, and this one is not a one coater. So I'm going to be curing this under the UV LED lamp for 1 minute. It dries quite quickly and tackiness has gone. On applying the second coat, you can see that the entire nail is completely covered and it's absolutely pretty. I love the shade. It's just got this subtle orange color. So next up we have this polish in the number M02 and it's called Caramine. So this is a lovely guava pink color. This is my first favorite in this lot and I'll be telling you all which is the second one very soon. I love this shade of pink. This one is actually a one coater, but I'm going to be applying a second coat and then cure it again. Next we have the polish in the number M01 and this one is called Matcha Green. So the reason I chose this is because this shade is quite rare and I thought it would be something different to try on. The color is quite different for a nail polish, but you can do so much of nail art over it. I'm going to apply 2 coats of this as well and cure it under the UV lamp. So finally, it's my favorite polish and it's in the number M03 and this one is called the Milk Tea color. I'm absolutely in love with the shade of the gel polish and look at that, it's just a light nude shade, and applying the first coat, this one is not a one coater, but on applying the second coat you can see it brings out the color really well and it's gonna suit every skin tone. Look at those beautiful polishes. I love each and every one of these shades. Let me know what you think about them in the comment box below. So next I'm going to be using my white as well as black stamping polish to stamp some nail art on these polishes, just to give you an idea on how it's going to look with black and white polish stamped over it. If you guys like this video, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon to not miss any videos, and also give this video a thumbs up and make sure you check them out on AliExpress. That's all for today's video. See you on the next one.